This is PerformOEE, your best-in-class specialist platform for manufacturing effectiveness. PlantWatch is a real-time snapshot of your plant floor. In PlantWatch, your OEE score is front and center, providing instant visibility of current performance and highlighting any live performance issues, allowing you to prioritize your response. The red, orange, and green color system emphasizes performance since the start of the shift. Included are breakouts of your APQ and OEE, while other elements instantly highlight areas of concern or success. PerformOEE lets you filter by plant, facility, area, or work center. This allows you to monitor specific areas closely. Let's dive into the operator screen. Here, you can reassign downtimes and record events, notes, and actions effortlessly. Our system offers first-level intervention prompts, minimizing downtime and saving precious resources and time. The digital dashboard is a set of configurable report packs designed for different meetings, all fully customizable to your department's and company's needs. All charts are interactive, providing detailed drill-down reporting capabilities and offer instant forensic insights. Accurately measure the main contributors to downtime, identify improvement opportunities, raise appropriate actions, and track improvement through our continuous improvement reporting. Lock in your improvement gains with PerformOEE's continuous process control. Take control and drive continuous improvement with PerformOEE, the industry's preferred OEE software. Join our satisfied customers and be in good company.